Well, up arrows across the board today on Wall Street. ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now with the details. Hi, Richard.
Hello, Scott. It's always nice to see the up arrows, although I confess it was really a rather quiet day, but we did finish with gains across the board. The Federal Reserve is meeting both today and tomorrow. Most people expect that they won't make any decision about interest rates, but we'll find that out at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. What most people also expect is they will raise interest rates at their meeting in June. So we'll have to see what comes of that, but frankly, when it's expected, it's usually not a very big deal. Very small range, the Dow up 47, down 11. Not much going on, but let's take a look at the figures and you'll see the arrows are indeed up. Dow up 36 points, not quite 0.2% at 20,949.89. That on volume of 644 million shares. The NASDAQ, be it ever so humble, that's another record. Up 4 points, not even 0.1% at 6,095.37. That on volume of 1,508 million shares. And the S&P up as well, 0.1%, but less than 3 points at 2,391.17. Well, if it looks to you like consumers are feeling good about things and spending money, I think you're exactly right. And we got affirmation of that today from no less than MasterCard. MasterCard said its earnings for the quarter were far better than expected. They posted earnings of $1.01. That versus 95 cents, which most people had been looking for. Their profits for the quarter were up by more than 12%. So far this year, the stock is up by 13%. In the last 12 months, it's up by 20%. And Haley and Scott, a number that I absolutely could not believe. I double-checked it. There are 2.4 billion MasterCards currently in circulation.
All right, a lot of credit cards. Yes. And Richard, you have some news on Apple.
Yes, they announced their earnings at 4:30, so of course no impact on the market until tomorrow. They did announce a 10% increase in their dividend. They've got more than $250 billion in cash. And remember that iPhone 8 is going to show up some point, probably early fall.
And 10th anniversary of the iPhone.
There you go.
Could be a big one.
Yep. All right, Richard, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.